Hi, dear DIY crafters. Welcome to PandaHall, a place where creativity and beauty meet. Today, we are going to take you in depth into the customer show of PandaHall. Are you ready? At PandaHall, customer show are not only a place to share shopping experiences, but also a stage for every creative lover. Whether it is handicrafts or jewelry, you can find inspiration here. From simple earrings to complex necklaces, PandaHall's customer show showcase a wide variety of creative works, reflecting unique personality and style. Customers' love for PandaHall has never faded. Everyone gave high praise to both product quality and customer service. Do you want to participate? Just register an account, select the products you purchased, and share your creation story to join the big family of customer show. Whether you are a DIY beginner or a skilled person, PandaHall's customer show is an ideal platform for you to show your creativity. Come and share your works and create beauty with us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative inspiration. See you next time.